Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from PayPal to Cashapp in 2023 using Paxful. While it's important to know that this method may have some certain risks and may not be officially supported, but I'll walk you through the process, so please proceed with caution and ensure that you comply with the terms and conditions for PayPal, Cashapp, and Paxful. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser this you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type paxful.com and hit the enter button. That will normally take you to the home screen or main screen of Paxful. And if you have an account, make sure to click on the login option and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, look for sign up, register, or get started and click on it and then follow the prompt to create your account. Enter your credentials or information to create your account and you will be normally kind of set up. Of course, once you create your account and logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of Paxful. Here, make sure if you are not verifying or if your phone is not verified or your email, make sure to go and verify them both so you'll be able to sell and buy on this website. Make sure to enable this 2FA or two-factor authentication for securing your account, to secure your account. Because of course, it's the greatest way at the moment. And before starting, of course, make sure that you have everything set up. You can go and check if you have your PayPal account with the funds and if you have a Cash App account, which is ready to use. If you didn't have any, you can simply go and create your account on PayPal as example or Cash App and add the funds to your PayPal account. And once you all set up, of course, come back here to Paxful, go to the dashboard, which we are here, or you can simply go on whatever page, simply go to this buy option, click on this drop down menu, and here you'll be able to buy Bitcoin, Tether, or USDC. I suggest you to go this is USDT because it has a lot of buyers and sellers. Once you click on it, go to this left panel, and I would like to pay this PayPal. So sorry, PayPal. As you can see, I'll find it here. Click on it, and here we'll have to choose the amount or the currency that you would like to pay it with. So normally it's gonna be USDC, but of course you can choose everything you want or any currency. Then make sure to choose worldwide so you get all the offers possible. And of course you can even enter the amount that you want to spend, as an example, 100 or something like that. Once you enter whatever suits you, you can even leave it empty. You can click on find offers. Once you do so, of course, you'll find here some verified sellers or buyers, and some of them are not verified, but they had a lot of positive feedback, so you don't have to worry about them. So you can look for the price and trade speed, and of course, the minimum and maximum purchases possible. So you'll have to keep all of that in mind. Once you choose whatever buyer suits you, you can simply go to it and click on buy. Once you do so, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll be able to enter the amount that you would like to receive or pay. So this offer is currently available. So let's just go back and look for another one as example. So as an example, I'm just going to look for this one. As you can see, it's not verified, but it has a lot of feedbacks, positive feedbacks. So click on buy. And as you can see here, you'll have to enter the amounts that you want to spend or the amounts of USDT that you want to buy. So let's say, as an example, it's going to be 100. As you can see, you will have to buy 123.8 USD to get your 100 USDT. But before that, you will have to go and verify your email address and phone number so you can proceed with this. Once you do so, of course, if you didn't yet, you can simply click on start verification from here. And once you do so, you will find a buy option here. Click on it and you will be good to go. Of course, you can scroll down and see the positive feedbacks and the negative feedback. As you can see, it's 0 here, but it will not be always 0. You can find like 5, 7, 10, 20. That is not a problem. You can trust this buyer even if he has like a lower amount depending on the positive feedbacks, because not everyone will be satisfied. This is just a rare option to find 0. So of course you can even scroll down and see all the positive feedbacks here that people send and etc. Of course, if you have any problem, you can go and report here as an example. So once you're sure, make sure to go and click buy and send him the money from PayPal and you will receive your USDT. Once you have your USDT, you can simply go to the sell option, click on this drop down menu, click on sell. And now you'll have here to choose. Of course, you can sell like USDT or Bitcoin or USD depending on whatever you bought. And of course, from here, you can go and get payout or paid via. Here, we'll simply have to go and type Cash App. Sorry, give it a space, and here is it. Here you can even go and choose the currency that you would like to get paid with. Of course, Cash App used USDC or USD, so you can use it from here, or you can leave it any currency. Do whatever suits you, and of course, all for location worldwide because it does not matter. And you can even enter the amount that you want to sell. So once you're done, you can simply click on Find Offers, and here you will check for whatever offer that suits you depending on the price, as I said, minimum and maximum sale, and if it's verified or not, trade offer or trade speed, and of course, the positive feedback. So keep an eye on all the information is needed. And this, you don't need to be verified users to complete this trade. So some users like has some special requests. Some of them will need a photo ID or something like that for trade. So make sure to keep an eye on that also. Once you choose the person that you would like to sell the money on, you can simply go and click on sell. Once you do so, of course, you will find yourself on this page. Once you're here, you can simply go and enter the amount of USDT that you have and that you would like to sell. As example here, let's say we have like 2000 because it's the minimum in the seller. The selling option will require from you a 1% fee from Paxful. So as you can see, you will have to, or you will need to add 2020 USDT to your wallet so you can do this trade. And again, if you didn't verify your email address or phone number, you can, or you'll have to go and do so from here by clicking Start Verification and come back and click on Sell. You can always scroll down and see if it has positive feedbacks and negative feedbacks, and scroll here and see if there's any feedbacks. Of course, if there's any problem also, or again, you can simply go and click on Report Problem again. You can see, as you can see, trade, you can see here, sorry, the trade time is 30 minutes, so it's not that much. And that's going to be it. So remember to prioritize security throughout the entire process and be cautious when dealing with third-party platforms like Paxful, and ensure that you are using trusted and verified sellers. Additionally, stay updated with the latest security practices for both Cash App and PayPal, and even Paxful, to protect yourself or your funds from personal information. And if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to transfer funds from Cash App to or from PayPal, sorry, to Cash App using Paxful in 2023. It's important to note that this method may involve risks and it's not officially supported by Cash App or even PayPal. So exercise with caution and comply with the terms and conditions to of course of all involved platforms, and prioritize your financial securities. So thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your financial endeavors. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.